Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new 8.5 20 we just got in. This trailer's got a couple goodies on it. I'm excited to show it to you guys. This one is actually a two-tone. It's a charcoal front with a black back, blackout package. You've got the all black diamond plate rock art along the bottom, up the V-nose, and then your black accents. It's also smooth skin, so you've got no exterior screws like your typical trailer. And again, it's a two-tone, so you have the black back. Side door does come with a cam bar and an RV lock. You also have your gutter like usual. Triple tube tongue on this unit as well. This one measures 20 foot total. So you've got an 18 box plus a 2-foot V on this unit. Two 3,500 pound axles with brakes on all fours, plus the aluminum wheels and then your black diamond plate fender. Try and get you guys a good shot of the side here. The smooth skins are really pretty, nice and clean looking. Side vents underneath this unit and stabilizer jacks, and this one also has bogey wheels underneath it, so I'm going to try and get you guys a good shot here. There we go. There's your roller wheels. We love bogey wheels because if you guys get into a situation where you're going to drag the back of your trailer, that trailer will simply roll on that wheel as opposed to ripping off the back end of your trailer and denting it up and damaging it. So if you guys like to go off-road, take your toys, have some fun, that will literally save the back of your trailer. This one also has a really cool triple strip tail lights, which you guys can see right there, as well as a black diamond plate wrap around your rear door jamb. You also have a gutter here on the rear door. Let me come here, get you guys a better shot of this side. There we go. It's a really good looking trailer. 7-foot interior height on this unit. And we're gonna go in the side door and take a peek. The RV lock gives you guys this piece here, which allows you to have an actual lock, a latch, and a set of keys. And then coming on the inside of the trailer, you do have nudo floor and ramp. The nudo floor is a high performance floor. It's extremely durable. We love the nudo floor in the trailers. This one also has a nice finished out ceiling, which you guys can see right here. Side vents, so you have a side vent up here, as well as one in the back over there. This one also has 3 interior LED puck lights. They turn on with a wall switch right there. And then there's also toggle switches on each one of those, so you guys can have one or all of them, or just kind of control that. I'm gonna back up here. 7-foot interior height again with a 6.6 rear door opening, so great for most UTVs. And we'll spin around and show you guys the front of the trailer. And there's the front. You do have the polished white V-nose up there in the corners. Finishes the trailer off and makes it look really nice. And again, great toy trailer with those bogey wheels. You do still have about a 4,000 pound capacity with this unit, even though it has the lighter axles underneath it, so some good weight you can still haul. It also keeps the weight down of this unit. It only weighs 3,000 pounds. So kind of some good features there. Again, if you guys aren't hauling cars, this is not a car hauler, but again, great features for you guys there. Give us a call. We'd love to earn you guys' business. As always, we're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. We can ship trailers wherever needed in the US. If you guys need to have the trailer shipped to you, that's not a problem. You can call us to inquire about that. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.